Hi guys, welcome to GoMailer, a robust email marketing platform that lets you connect with your audience and grow your business seamlessly. With GoMailer, you can create targeted campaigns, automate your emails, and track your results for increased conversions. In today's crowded landscape, it's absolutely crucial that your emails are delivered to your subscribers' inbox. And in this video, I'll be walking you through the process of setting up your GoMailer account for optimal inbox delivery. To set up SPF and DKIM for your domain, you will need to make changes in your domain's DNS settings. The exact process may vary depending on your domain registrar, but I'll walk you through the steps for the most popular providers. These are GoDaddy, cPanel, and Namecheap. The first step in the process is to generate your SPF and DKIM records. This can be done conveniently and simply from within your GoMailer account. To do this, log into your GoMailer account, navigate to Settings, click on the Email tab, enter your sender's domain, and click on the Generate Records button. GoMailer will generate the SPF and DKIM values to be set on your domain. On your domain hosting website, navigate to your DNS settings. On cPanel or GoDaddy, this can be found in your zone editor. For Namecheap, navigate to your domains, select the Manage option on your domain, then click on the Advanced DNS tab. Both SPF and DKIM records are configured in a similar manner. For SPF, click on the Add New Record button, set the type to TXT. The host value should be the @ or your domain name. For the value field, copy your SPF record from GoMailer and paste it in. After configuring your SPF and DKIM records and waiting a bit for it to propagate, it's important to verify that your changes have been applied correctly. You can do this by using online tools such as MX Toolbox or Email Tool Tester. These tools will check your domain's SPF and DKIM records and provide you with a detailed report on their status. This would help you ensure that your email deliverability is optimized and that your messages are reaching your intended recipients. If you haven't done so yet, hit the like button on this video, subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell icon to be notified whenever we release a new video. Thank you. Ciao, ciao. Adios.